Introducing the delightful Quilted Kitties collection by Henry Glass, now available at Fabric Utopia. This charming collection captures the whimsical world of our feline friends with its variety of patterns and colors, perfect for cat lovers everywhere. From the playful tossed fish in striking black, to the serene swirls in soft gray, and the vibrant cat medallions, each fabric tells a story. This collection is designed to inspire and add a touch of whimsy to your quilting projects. Transform your home decor with these enchanting designs. Create cozy quilts, stylish cushions, and charming curtains that bring the joy of quilting to life. Crafted with the finest materials, the Quilted Kitties collection offers exceptional quality and versatility for all your crafting needs. Whether you're a seasoned quilter or just starting out, these fabrics are perfect for exploring new ideas and techniques. Visit Fabric Utopia today to explore the Quilted Kitties collection and start your next quilting adventure. And bring these playful patterns into your world. We offer a 54-inch by 75-inch Quilt Kitties panel quilt at our online store. We also offer a 53-inch by 71-inch Quilt Kitties block quilt. Be sure to explore the hundreds of quilt kits that Fabric Utopia offers.